Okay, so we're going to show you what we got for our walkthrough this year. So we're going to come on down these here steps, and then going to come on around here. We're hoping to have somebody right here in the garden.
Oh yeah, there he is.
There he is. Then we'll come on over this way. Over to the shed, which we are calling it the barn. We got an animal casualty right there. And then got this here guy, Blink guy, standing right there. We're gonna have our scarecrow hiding right here, so he's kind of hidden. Got ourselves an electric box, strobe light to provide a little light in here. And then from here, let's wait for it to, there we go. From here we're gonna head on into the garage. Gonna have some thunderstorm lights right here. Just to add a little something. Got our skulls leading up to the house. And then we got our front porchway area. Luigi! Come in here to this kitchen area. Got preparing the next meal. And then we'll just head right on down into the rest of the house. Come into here, we got ourselves a crow on there. Got a skeleton of a crow right there. Then we come on into this dark area here. Provide some light. Got our phone ringing. Got our witch's tarot cards and whatnot. Fireplace with the fog machine inside there, and fog will come out. We built an access panel right here to get back to our drop panel room. So you open that up, come right into the drop panel room. Just hit that lever, balls, scares the crap out of people there. Okay, so from there, the drop panel will be into the bedroom. So witch does her thing here, sends them on into here, into the bathroom. We got a very, very dirty toilet. Sink, and there's gonna be candy in there. Shower curtain, hand hanging out. And we come into here and we have our black light area, because I have to have a black light for my Halloween stuff. And then we come on into the bedroom here, and that fluorescent light will be off. I have to unplug that yet, but we have the farmer's, the wife of the farmer right here is dead Got another candy bowl right here. And as they're grabbing their candy, that's whenever they hit that switch and it comes out. And then right there's the end of it. Head back into the house.
Jason ever get ready? Is he even in this?
He's out there.
Yeah, he's out there.
Oh, Uncle Josh, you're in there? I think I got my
That's scary shit, right?
It's your nature evolution.
And I was late. Thanks for watching.